Hi everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life, and I'm here with hashtag Artisan Journal Prompts 2024, hosted by Life with Patti. My book's getting kind of thick. So, this week's prompt was people, persons, and this is mine. I did a mixed media background. There are some tickets, if you can kind of see. Over some tickets. I put tickets down, and then I used Tapira little tube paint, because right now paintbrushes hurt, or I can't get my wrist to do the paintbrush that well. So been using like a lipstick. They're shaped like a little lipstick or a chapstick, and they work really well. I like how they can get the colors blended. And then down here, and you got these people going to the mailbox. I liked it. When I went to the magazine, I was gonna color, and I couldn't color. Yeah, so I'm like, okay, magazine, and this is what I found. So I want to thank you guys for watching. This is my prompt week 18 already. Alrighty, guys. Thanks for watching. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty. Bye for now.